Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Suraj and you're watching Roaming Beast. Thank you so much. First of all, thank you so much for showing love to all my videos and they'll say thank you. So this video is all about boys, all about girls for boys. So girls अगर चाहें तो इस वीडियो को इग्नोर कर सकते हैं because this video is going to be helpful for the boy. What comes to your mind when you think about going out with your girl? You do a lot of research, right? You do groom yourself, you figure out the best outfits. So what do you end up doing? A coffee date, a long drive, a movie together? That's all obvious, I guess. But what if I tell you 5 things you can do when you're going out with your girlfriend? So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Go on a simple bicycle or Yulu ride. Yes, the Yulu ride is going crazy nowadays, so you can go for a Yulu ride. And if she don't know how to ride a bicycle, you can be the one she will be comfortable with to learn the new skill. And the second point is just take her on a long walk to a historical place or maybe in a park or museum and just let her speak. Just look at her whenever she speak out. Third point is just try out street shopping with her. She will love it if you are engaged with her while she does the shopping. Best thing you can do for her, just click her pictures in whatever way she wants to get the pictures, just click it. I mean, what can be better than having a boyfriend who is having a great skill of photography? Exploring these kind of things, you will be feeling hungry. Just go for, instead of going to the mall or any restaurant, I know street food cannot be a better choice all the time, but sometimes Bhel Puri can be much better than a Mac burger to get it frozen. Just 10 milliliters.
बहुत ज़्यादा वॉकिंग करी
एंड शूटिंग करी।
इसने मुझे कुछ नहीं खिलाया।
इसने इसको आइसक्रीम खिलाई है मैंने।
एक आइसक्रीम बस सारा खुद खा गया।
हाँ तो ठीक है ना।
It was so fun shooting with you. Thank you so much. And if you please
Yes.
We really like our ideas. So please like, share, subscribe. अच्छा हाँ, comment what was your best part. My best part was the whole day. मुझे फ्री का खाना मिला हाँ, और तो मेरे लिए तो बेस्ट डे था.
Okay.
A good Sunday.
Okay. हाँ हमने वॉकिंग करी बहुत ज़्यादा, उसके बाद हमने यूनो राइड करी एंड उसके बाद हम फाइनली यहाँ पर हैं. सूरत बड़े में मैकडी खिलाएंगे.
मैक्सी खिलाएंगे.
ओ भाई मारो मुझे मारो.
ज़्यादा
ठीक है. See you in my next vlog. Bye bye.
ओके बाय. पहाड़ी से